Andy with Ninox Corporation. In this class, we're going to look at how we can maintain properties and track the services we provide in the field. Now, the service and maintenance module is part of the real estate system in the Ninox ERP solution. However, it can be used by any field service personnel: plumbers, electricians, painters, roofers, landscape personnel, anyone who provides service at various locations, properties, or units can use this service and maintenance module to track their scheduled services, warranty repairs, labor, materials, billing, and invoicing. You can access the maintenance module directly off the main function menu, but you also could go in and select a particular property and click the maintenance icon here to create a work order for this property, or we could be here in the unit screen and click the icon to create a work order for this particular unit within the property. You also can create work orders according to a tenant or a customer who may call in requesting the service. All of those options will lead you to this screen where you can either create your new work order or deal with your maintenance and repair parts. You can track your parts inventory, you can track logistics, both purchase orders incoming and outgoing, as well as inventory deployment to a particular job site. For more information on the Ninox inventory solution, please check out videos number 440 through 449, where you can take a deep dive into all aspects of the Ninox inventory management solution. At this point, let's go ahead and create a new work order. Across the top, we see all of the different categories of work to be done. These are all user definable, and you can have as many different categories as you want. Let's say we're going out to fix a toilet, so we're going to code this as plumbing. This is a high priority. We can say that the order has been dispatched, and we can also track who reported the problem. We can note that the order is being opened today, it was dispatched today, and we can now indicate the property and or unit where this work is to be done. I'm going to select a property and then indicate that it's Unit A within that property. Once we have filled out these two fields, we can use the property and unit icon here to go ahead and look at that particular property and or a particular unit. And with the escape key, quickly return to our work order entry screen. Here we can categorize and classify this particular work order. If the work order is being performed on a particular piece of equipment, for example, let us say that this was an HVAC repair and we had just put a new compressor into this building, a new air conditioning rooftop unit. We might want to go in and when we indicate HVAC, pull up a list of all HVAC assets that are installed at this property. We could select the asset and the system would automatically tell us yes or no, is this asset under warranty? This works for field service personnel also. If you go out and do a job, maybe you install a new water heater. 6 weeks later, the customer calls with a problem. You can bring up that customer, see the serial number and all of the information about the installation of the water heater 6 weeks prior, and have all of that information with you, along with any warranty issues when you return to the job site. Actual warranty contracts can be viewed using this icon here, and all of the details about fixed assets, equipment, appliances, and capital improvements can be viewed in detail using this icon. As the work progresses from work in process through completed or closed, we can track our labor charges, our material charges, and any miscellaneous charges, maybe a $75 trip fee. Once we have tracked all of our charges, we now can track invoices and or bills related to this particular work order. If we're a property manager and we outsourced this work order to a third-party subcontractor, they are going to send us a bill. And in this case, we will owe $1,075 to that subcontractor. We can create the bill here and track our payments against that bill. If we provide the service, whether it's part of our real estate company or we're a service provider, a plumber, an electrician, a roofer, or a painter, then we can create an invoice to bill the customer for whom we performed the work and provided the service. If we installed a new water heater, if we replaced an air conditioner, all of those charges can be set up on a bill and we can bill the customer in real time. For more information on customer invoicing and sales, take a look at training classes 406 and 407. For more information on vendor bills and payables, you can go view training class 409 here on this Ninox Learning Channel. Work orders and the service calls that document the work that we do and the costs that we incur can be standalone or as part of our real estate management solution where we connect them to properties, units, or tenants. If we're a service company, we can track our customers and our sales and invoicing. If we are a real estate company that outsources maintenance to a third-party vendor or subcontractor, we can track all of our bills and payables. We can bill that information through to the tenant or absorb it and report it as a cost of business or a cost of the property in our property financial statements. In our next class, we're going to look at how we can use the Ninox project management module to actually build and construct our properties, our units, and manage large projects for capital improvements. We'll see you there.